Hi, hello, how are you? Are you happy? Of course I know you are happy. Hi, I'm here again. Jennifer, or Miss Jennifer, or to Jennifer, whichever one, I'm okay with it. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can get access to our loads of videos. And why am I starting off this video with subscription, with talking about subscribing? Why? I don't know. Well, it's here, so let's do it. Why don't we just do it? So please subscribe to our channel so that you can get access to our videos on different subjects, and you can get to learn with us. Okay, don't get to learn with Prepclass. You can get to learn with Prepclass tutors on different subjects and topics of your choice. Okay, so those are my choice. I think I have a high-pitched voice already. Voice. Yeah, I felt like making noise, don't mind me. And sometimes you just want to scream. I felt like making noise. Okay, so we will continue from our last video. So we stopped at number 40. So we'll continue from 41. And our instructions here says choose from letter A to E in each of the questions the right ending for each sentence. The right ending. Okay, the right way to end it. The grammatically correct way of ending each of the sentences. So our 41st question, the 41st question is last year, our teacher asked me dash A, if I would like to be a lawyer, B, if I shall like to be a lawyer, C, if I shall like to be a lawyer, D, if I would like to be a lawyer, and E, if I want to be a lawyer. Okay, so which is it? Now, know that last year is past. So when I say last night, when I say last week, last month, last year, they are all in the past. It's not happening now, and it's not happening in the future. So last year shows past. Okay? And therefore, would be the correct form of our verb, auxiliary verb, because if I would like to be a lawyer is correct. Would indicate an action that has happened in the past. So because the sentence started with a past event, it started with last year, which denotes the past, which shows past. Therefore, the verb, the auxiliary verb, and even the verb, the main verb that is, would all be in their past tense. Now, when you look at the sentence, you see that the main verb is asked, and even asked, which is the main verb, is in the past tense form. Okay? So, therefore, the auxiliary verb, which is well, would be in its past tense, which is would. So instead of saying, last year our teacher asked if I would like to be a lawyer, you're better off saying, last year our teacher asked if I would like to be a lawyer. Okay? So that is it. That is it. What is, yeah. Number, did I say number? Option D. Number? Really? Option D. If I would like to be a lawyer. That's the correct answer. So please learn to always make sure that your verbs and your subjects always agree. Okay? So if your subject is in a past tense form, then of course your verb would be in past tense form. And even the auxiliary verb would also be in a past tense form. Okay? So it is always better to leave every part of your sentence in the past tense form. That is, if it's in the past tense form. But if it's in the present, you maintain the present. If it's in the future, you maintain it that way. Okay, so if, okay, I'm done talking about that. I don't think you want to hear that again, do you? Okay, so our 42nd question says, the poor girl who got the first prize in essay writing, A, thanks the headmaster, B, thanked the headmaster, C, thanked the headmaster, D, heartily thanks the headmaster, and E, has thanked the headmaster, which is correct. Now remember what I said, using the correct form of verb. Okay? And now when we look at the sentence, the pupil who got, we can see that got, which is the main verb in this sentence, is in its past tense form, right? Remember, got is the past tense of get. So got is in past tense. So it only follows that the answer should also be in the past tense. So we will now say that the pupil who got the first prize in essay writing thanked the headmaster. Okay, that's the correct answer. Thanked the headmaster, because it is also in its past. So of all the options we have, thank the headmaster suits just fine. It suits best amongst all the options. So we go with thank the headmaster, option B. Now let's look at the 43rd question. Lawrence who came here told us, A, that he lived in US, B, that he has lived in US, C, that he has lived in US, I forgot to add the A, USA, D, that he is living, not living, living in USA, E, that he was living in USA. So which of the options is correct? Which suits best? That he lived in the USA. Now Lawrence who came here, came is in the past tense form, so it's going to be lived. Okay, because he told us. Told is also in the past tense form. So this is Lawrence who came and told us that he lived in the USA, but not anymore. And what does that lived mean? It means that he lived in the USA, but not anymore. Okay, he used to live there, not anymore. So it's just showing that it's in the past tense. Okay, so that is our correct option. 43. A, lived in the USA. That's our correct option, that he lived in the USA. Now 44, Ajayi, Ike, and Eke said that A, no child is coming to their class, B, no child will come to their class, C, no child should come to their class, D, no child has to come to their class, E, no child shall come to their class. So which is the correct option? No child should come to their class is the correct answer. And why is it? You will ask. I'm sure you'd ask, why is it? Why is it so? That is because should is used to form the future tense of a subjunctive mood. And what's a subjunctive mood? A state of future anticipation. So when you're anticipating something that is yet to happen, you should. You understand that? Now I'll give you an example. Take for an example, I really wanted to perhaps visit Abuja, visit my auntie who lives in Abuja for the holidays, for the long-term holidays. And now I could say, I asked Auntie Becky if I should visit her at Abuja. I asked Auntie Becky if I should visit her at Abuja. Now I used should because I anticipate visiting her in the future. I am yet to visit her, but I am anticipating it. I'm looking forward to it. Okay, so it's in contexts like this, it's in situations like this that we use should, because it shows a subjunctive mood. And remember what I told you subjunctive means? It means a state of future anticipation. Alright, so 44, option C is correct. No child should come to their class. So Ajayi, Ike, and Eke said that no child should come to their class. Now they know that a child is coming. The child hasn't come yet. It hasn't happened yet, but they anticipate that the child will come, perhaps from a rumor or something. They anticipate that the child will come. And they're saying it beforehand that no child should come to their class. They don't need children in their class. All right, so 45. Let's go number 45. This is the publishing director who said dash A, that he has written a lot of good books. B, that he has written a lot of good books. C, that he should have written a lot of good books. D, that he will write a lot of good books. And E is option A and D. So, which is it? This is the publishing director who said that he has written a lot of books, a lot of good books. Now, this is a present perfect tense, which shows that an action has been completed as of the time of speaking it. That's what it means. Has written is a present perfect tense, okay? Which means that the action of writing the books has actually been completed before the publishing director said it, okay? So he has written those books even before saying it. So has written is a present perfect tense. Boom! That's it. You know, whenever I say boom, it means we've come to the end of the video, right? So get used to it. It's my way of saying we've come to the end of the video. Get ready to subscribe, get ready to comment, get ready to like, get ready to do anything. Task. Put yourself to task. Okay, so yeah, I'm saying it officially. We have come to the end of the video. I hope you learned something from today's session. I did. I always do, by the way. So I look forward to learning with you even more in our successive videos. But then until then, don't forget to subscribe so that you get access to our videos and every other thing that Prepclass has to offer, including the best tutors. Including the best tutors. I mean that. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Please like. Don't forget to share with your friends. Okay? Let's all learn together. It's not really good if we keep them in the dark. So let them know that Prepclass exists. Let them know that we are here for them, for everyone who wishes to learn. Okay? So don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. So please drop your comment. I asked in the previous video, I was asking how you want me to end the video. So please drop your comment. Let me learn how to end the video from you, or how you want me to end the video. You know, something else apart from bye, stay safe, stay strong, stay happy. I'm saying it now, stay safe, stay strong, and stay happy.